What's up, guys? It's Japarico here. Today we're going to start lesson 14. So far, Camille has entered one trade. Is not. Last time we saw it, it was not going well. Let's take a look at that trade, and after that, we're going to see how to set the stop loss and take profit. I taught Camille the definition about those two things, but I haven't taught her how to set it on the platform. You can configure that on the platform by yourself. We're going to take a look at how to do it. And after that, I'm going to teach the calculation of how to protect your capital by setting those values. Okay, so first of all, did I say it was lesson 14? I said, right?
Yeah. 14.
Okay, so first of all, guys, let's take a look at the trade. So the trade was HSI on the 1 minute chart. And so far, guys, it's going like this. And let's set here according to that indicator that we used to use, which is my friend's James O. He's a Korean guy. This guy. Okay. Yes. Okay. So, guys, as I told you guys last time, so I said once it goes, so it has. So you see, guys, this. Okay, I think I have. Last time I was not using this, right? Yeah. Okay. I just hit the PVA candles because last time we were not using, so that it's easier for you guys to remember what happened last time. Okay. So that one is being hidden for the moment. Here you see, guys, the blue line is crossing down, pink line is going up, okay? And then I said, here is the first signal that's telling you about the downtrend, okay? Then you wait until it bounces back up. So this blue line went again, close to the pink line, it touched it, right? Yeah, it touched it, and then continuing the trade, okay?
I see it going back
up. Yeah, so Camille now says she sees this going back up because she can see that the blue line is, well, it hasn't done yet, but it's about to, did it close it?
Not yet.
Almost, right? Yeah,
about to.
Yeah. So guys, when actually the blue line, when you have a cross, which hasn't happened yet, but when you have this cross, okay, the blue line crosses up the pink line, that's the first signal of an uptrend, okay? According to this theory, there are many other theories, but according to this theory, is the first time that is going to give you a signal, okay?
Yeah. Oh, waiting game.
Okay. Okay, so while we wait for this, guys, let's start the lesson for today. So the lesson for today, guys, is whenever you set that, okay? So this is a very good one because the US market is closed now, okay? So it's a very good time for us to practice. So let's go here and right click, okay? So we right click. For me, it's left click because I'm left-handed, but if you right click, okay? So you can trade this and gives you two options, okay? Sell limit and a buy stop, okay? And then you can create a new order. Because the market is closed now, you can't buy at the market price. Why? Because the market is not trading. Market is not trading, okay? So the market price, you can do at the moment, okay? Even if you set this to buy at 32.717, even if you click here, it's not going to send your order to the exchange because it's closed. What it's going to do is to book your order, okay?
Yeah.
So you're going to have here a buy stop, okay? So once it reaches this, it goes to this. You can here place a limit, okay? And then you can put here at 32.22, okay? And this is when it's +5, so there is a range, okay, of the price that you accept. So, for example, S +5 would be, even if this opens with like +5 points more, you still accept the price, okay? And then you can set the price here. So this is the limit, guys. And then Camille, you have two columns. You have the take profit column and you
Take
have the stop loss. Okay, so take profit is TP and stop loss is SL.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is the price that you accept. For example, let's say you think Uber is going to reach 50. Okay, and if you set the take profit at 50, when it reaches 50, you automatically close your trade
Yep.
with a profit of 50
Yeah.
minus, well, let's say you manage it to you succeed to open
Yeah.
at 32.17. So it will be 50 minus 32.17. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
On the other hand, you can also set the stop loss, and you can actually set both of them. Okay, so in one trade you can set both stop loss and take profit. Okay, let's say you want to set the stop loss, and then let's say you set the stop loss to like 20. Okay,
Yeah.
so once the price, okay, and then let's say you manage it to buy at 32. Okay, so you bought at 32 and it went all the way down to 20.
Yeah.
And then we automatically close your trade. Okay,
Okay.
with a loss of 32 minus 20, and then you lose like
Okay.
yeah, 12? Yeah, 12, around 12.
Okay. So if I set the stop loss
Yes.
to the same value as I buy it, and then I set take profit as an amount that I would definitely be earning, then I won't be losing money at all. There will
Yes.
only be chance that I am earning.
Yes, but don't forget that every time you trade, you have to pay commission.
Okay.
Some brokers will not charge a commission. There's some brokers that advertise zero commission.
Okay, then I set it to the amount that with the commission included. Set it to the stop loss.
Yeah, but you can't set. Yes, but you can never set. Okay, so you see, there are two. There are two prices always. Okay, so you see that here, because it's not trending, so the buy price and the sell price is the same. But once the market is trending, you see that. Oh, let's go to here, this one. Okay, because this one is trending. You set one position here, right?
Yeah.
So let's say you want to sell one more, okay? So you can actually add, okay? So or create new order. You can actually create as many orders as you want, okay? You don't need to only have one position. The people have like 10 positions open at the same time. Let's say here, right?
Yeah.
And then I think it's here because it's paper, right? Paper trading.
Yeah.
Then you see the same price. But in reality, you don't. You always see this price will always seem more expensive, and this also cheaper. Because if you start the position buying, you always buy a little bit more expensive. If you start the position selling, let's say you want to sell first, you always sell a little bit cheaper than actually, so it's always against you. Yeah, to begin with, since the very beginning, already you're losing, you never open the position fair. It's not ever fair to you.
Right. Okay.
And this is called the spread. The difference between these two prices, we call it spread. Okay? Spread.
Mm-hmm.
Like a peanut butter spread. Yeah. Spread. Okay? Yeah. So the spread is what kills you. So if you do what you're saying, because many people thought like you. You're not the only person who think like that. Many people have had the same idea.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you do that, the spread will kill you eventually.
Okay.
That's why you can't do that.
Okay.
It's not a good idea to do that anyways, because you see within the session, many times the price, for example, let's say you say here, see many times price went back to this level. So you will see that price will go back eventually, right? Or no, or maybe never will go to your price, okay?
Yeah.
So that's why what we teach is a series of things that we have observed that actually work.
Okay.
See, now I think it's going, yeah. So far now is, you see, so there was a price broke already, right? So you see that the blue line crossed up already, okay?
Yeah.
So now we expect to go down again to then go up again, okay? So at least that's the theory.
Right.
Mm.
So we'll keep waiting.
No, up to you actually. Up to you because
I
this is your
will. I
this
will.
is your trade. It's not my trade.
I will keep waiting.
Okay. Okay. So guys, this lesson was to teach you guys about how you can actually on the tradingview.com on this platform you can set your take profit and your stop loss. So having said that, thank you so much for watching us and I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Bye.